Looking for the perfect drone in 2025 without breaking the bank? From stunning 8K cameras to advanced obstacle avoidance, today I'll show you the top 5 best AliExpress drones you can buy right now. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we bring you the latest tech gadgets and drones with honest reviews so you can make the best buying decision. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below, feel free to check them out. Number 1. Xiaomi V198 drone. This drone comes with an 8K professional HD camera, 5G Wi-Fi, and a brushless motor system for smooth flying. It also features laser obstacle avoidance and a foldable design, making it perfect for travel and outdoor shooting. Customer reviews. Buyers highlight its stable flight performance and crystal clear video quality, even in windy conditions. Pros: 8K Ultra HD camera, advanced obstacle avoidance, foldable and portable design, strong brushless motors, GPS precision flight. Number 2. Xiaomi V988 drone. Weighing under 249 grams, this drone packs an 8K camera with 4K live streaming. It includes a built-in screen on the remote, brushless motors, and extended flight stability, ideal for beginners and pros. Customer reviews. Users love its lightweight build and easy controls, saying it's one of the best drones under 250 grams for travel. Pros: 8K professional camera, remote with built-in display, compact and under 249 grams, smooth brushless motor system, beginner-friendly flight control. Number 3. S156 4K drone. This budget-friendly drone features a dual-esque 4K HD camera, FPV Wi-Fi transmission, and optical flow positioning for stable hovering. It also has brushless motors, ensuring durability and efficient power use. Customer reviews. Most buyers call it a great entry-level drone, offering solid value for its price. Pros: affordable yet powerful, 4K HD dual camera system, optical flow for stable hovering, FPV live video, brushless motor durability. Number 4. SX1 GPS drone. The SX1 MAX is built for serious aerial photography with its 4K camera and 3-axis gimbal stabilization. It includes 5G digital image transmission, a large FPV screen controller, and up to 5 km range, making it a solid mid-range drone. Customer reviews. Buyers say the gimbal keeps footage smooth and cinematic, even while flying fast. Pros: 4K stabilized camera, 3-axis gimbal for smooth shots, long-range 5 km transmission, FPV screen remote included, GPS-assisted flying. Number 5. Xiaomi XT606 drone. This professional drone comes with a 4K dual camera system, 3-axis PTZ gimbal, and 360 degrees obstacle avoidance. Powered by brushless motors and 5G Wi-Fi, it delivers professional-level performance at an affordable price. Customer reviews. Users praise its cinematic video quality and say it competes with more expensive drones on the market. Pros: dual 4K camera setup, 3-axis PTZ stabilization, full obstacle avoidance system, long flight range with GPS, strong brushless motor design. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below, feel free to check them out. So there you have it, the top 5 best AliExpress drones of 2025. From the 8K powerhouse Xiaomi V198, the lightweight V988, the budget-friendly S156, the long-range SX1 MAX, to the professional-grade XT606 MAX, there's a drone here for every pilot. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more drone and gadget reviews. And let me know in the comments which drone would you take on your next adventure. The Xiaomi V198 or the XT606 MAX? Thanks for watching and happy flying.